I'm sure everyone has heard about the recent tragedy involving The Tonight Show, Jay Leno, Conan O'Brien. It is terrible. Poor Conan. They said he was crying about the whole thing. And believe me, if I got $32 million and walked away from a job, I'd cry too. All the way to the bank. Hey! But seriously, NBC doesn't know who they want, so now they want Jay again. But what if they decide they don't want Jay? That's why I've decided to volunteer my services. Well, not volunteer, I expect to get paid. I mean, come on. But I will volunteer with pay my services to NBC. I will do The Tonight Show. I know you built Conan a $50 million studio. You don't have to build me any studio. I will do the show wherever you tell me to do it. And you don't have to hire me a band. My son can be my band. I mean, he sucks as a musician, but he works cheaply. He can also be my sidekick because he'll laugh at anything. He'll laugh at a train crash. In fact, he did once. And I was on the train that crashed. So please, NBC, if you're looking for somebody that you can treat any kind of way you want to, who will work for just about anything, please give me a call if you're watching. Oh, that's my phone right now. I wonder who that could be. Hello? Yes, NBC. I meant it. I'll work anywhere, anytime. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. That's NBC. I got the job. I don't know where I'm going to do the show, but who cares?
Welcome to The Tonight Show. I'm Patricia White, and it's awfully cold out here.
How cold is it?
It's so cold I'm freezing to death. I'm serious. I think I have frostbite. I put a diet here. Please, somebody call 911. Put a stick in me and I'd be a fudge sickle. Help!
Girl, you crazy.
Help!
Well, I'm back. NBC fired me after just one show. And then they had the nerve to send me this check. I haven't even looked at it. I mean, I only did one show. What's it for? A penny? Let me see. $50,000 for one show? NBC, please hire me again and then fire me. I think I'm going to cry. All the way to the bank.